Okay, now we're going to talk about how to organize your bedroom. First thing is the most important. We have to remember that this is your master bedroom. This is your sanctuary, your peaceful spot away from the chaoticness of your life. This is a place where you can read, you can relax, you get ready for the day, and you can spend some time with your spouse. Whether it's romantic or just quiet time, this is your place. So we need to keep it uncluttered. Remember, keep it clutter-free, which is hard to do, and we need to keep every drawer, make it count. One thing that I suggest, that I use myself, and it's kind of a nice idea, you keep one drawer just for underwear, another drawer for maybe socks and other things like that, another drawer for bedclothes, another drawer for maybe good t-shirts, maybe a work clothes for the husband. I have one dresser for my husband, one dresser for myself, so all of my stuff in here. Also, I have a drawer down here that I keep, and I put all of my mementos in there. So I can kind of keep the top of my dressers more, just throw all, catch all, memento type drawer. So, and for your closets, try to keep it organized. I know that's hard, especially when you have small closets and space is an issue in your house. I have to use my closet for multiple purposes. So what I do is I have my fall and winter on one side, my spring and summer on the other. I know, don't you feel sorry for me? I have to have all of it in one closet. But what I do is have my casual to dressy short sleeves, the other side my casual to dressy long sleeves. Then on the bottom I have a spot for my art and craft supplies. Then I have on the top shelf a spot for all my sweaters, my hats. I even have a sewing basket. So when I have a button fall off my shirt, I can quickly sew it on. All right there, easy to get to. So that's pretty much how I organize our bedroom. I hope some of these tips help you.